this video, I'll show you how to convert mp4 video to mp3 audio on iPhone. Firstly, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus in the upper right to create a new shortcut and name it Convert to mp3. Tap Add Actions and search in Code Media, then select Audio Only. Search Save File, expand its options and toggle on Overwrite if file exists. Now go to Settings, Shortcuts, Advanced and enable Allow Running Scripts. Find the video file, tap Share, then select Convert to mp3 and choose your save location. Finally, open Files, find your mp3 and tap and hold to rename. But this shortcut for some odd reasons won't work on specific models of iPads or will break if you don't update your device. But I found an easy fix. If you updated your device and restarted it, then the shortcut isn't working or popping up in the Share It. It will be broken forever and you have to create a new one. So follow the steps in the video and change if there is no input, continue to. If there is no input, ask for photos. If it still isn't popping up on sharing, that's okay. Just go back to the shortcut and either tap on it when you aren't in editing mode, or press the play button when you're in the editing mode. Photos app should pop up on your screen. Tap on the video you want to convert and then the file you want to save it and then press open. If this works, the audio will immediately start playing in the shortcut. That means it worked and you should have the audio in the file you selected. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.